Ikaw ba, patalo ka ba? Ano masasabi mo?
So beautiful here in the Philippines. Well, it's my first time here and I'm not expecting this kind of view.
From?
I'm enjoying it.
Paula from?
From Italy.
Hell, ay, mali.
Oh my God!
Hello!
It's so unexpected.
Ate, anong pangalan mo? Ang ganda mo naman.
It's so pretty. My friend from Germany.
Ikaw, Mima, anong pangalan mo? Ang ganda mo
My
naman.
friend from Russia. Yeah. She works as a porn star in Russia.
Wow! Specialized on gangbang?